This is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection, and this is a 1-minute home inspection. Okay guys, here we are in this garage. Let's talk general home construction. This is basics 101 right here. So what we're looking at here are what's called anchor bolts. And so basically the concept here is this bolt is put into the foundation on the day that it's poured while the concrete is still pretty soft. That way what we do here then is gives us something sturdy that's really stuck in the foundation, not going to go anywhere. And we should be building our wall right on top of those. We would basically take our sill plate, which is the base bottom board here that runs along the foundation, cut a hole in it, slide it right over the top. Well, as you can see here, we've got our wall, but it's not built on the J-bolt or the anchor bolt here. So what does this do? This basically holds the wall down, the house down to the foundation. That way if we have a gust of wind, a big storm, something like that, our house stays stuck to the foundation. So that's basically what we've got here. So what we're missing here then is just these things are just put in the wrong place, and we're not holding this part of the house down. We do have some straps here to hold down, so that's helpful, but these are really supposed to help. And you can see basically this whole entire wall here in the garage, missing them all the way across. So definitely something of concern here to make sure that we've got a good, strong, sturdy house that's not going to go anywhere. So that's the biggest concern with this. So we'll let this home buyer know we got a little issue here, and they'll go from there. There you go. Brandon, the home inspector. We'll see you on the next one.